Okay, so I'm going deeper now into these videos. Should have done it on the first one really, but did a bit on the second and then not so much on the third. So I think I'll end up going through all of these videos, but I've found all the names on Instagram. I've followed all the people on Instagram so that I can then tag them. This is so that we can draw attention to these arts. Remember, these guys, all of these guys, are going to feel the pinch with the energy crisis, with the cost of energy, gas especially, going up to the stupid amount it's going up to. These guys are going to struggle. So we need to support these as much as we can. We need to follow them. We need to help them in any way we can, because this energy crisis, we could quite easily lose a lot of people, lose their art, just because of greed, and we shouldn't have that at all. It just shouldn't happen. So please follow them. They're in my story, and if you can watch part 4, which part 4 is now done, it's in the playlist as well. You can go back and watch previous playlists. Part 5, people, I will get to you soon, and then we'll go up to, it goes up to part 8. There will be, in the total, the videos will only last an hour. So you'll be able to binge watch all of these, part 1, 2 to 8, binge watch it in an hour. Everybody's names gets mentioned. If you're in the Biennale, if you've got a piece of work there, you will be mentioned. I will say things. I'll either like it or I won't, or it's okay or whatever. But please support these people. Let's get behind these artists, because now more than ever, we're all going to struggle. Thanks for watching. Cheers.